BrightPay is now offering a cloud-based solution, meaning you can access your payroll anywhere, anytime, from any device with internet access. You will no longer have to worry about your data file being deleted or corrupted, as BrightPay will be responsible for data hosting and security. With this new cloud-based software, multiple users can access the same file at the same time, and BrightPay will also highlight what part of the payroll they are currently working on. The new Organisation tab allows you to group employers together into a business group. This feature can be used to give specific users access to certain employer files. It has a customizable open screen that allows you to choose exactly what information you want shown. You'll be able to seamlessly move your data from the BrightPay desktop version to the BrightPay online version. And if you are a new BrightPay user, we have free migration support to help you. BrightPay allows you to have weekly, fortnightly, 4-weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly pay schedules. A new feature we have added to our online version of BrightPay is the function to have multiple pay periods in the same pay frequency. This is especially useful if you have 2 different pay dates for weekly staff, or you want to keep different departments or store locations separate. BrightPay also communicates directly with HMRC, allowing you to check for coding notices for your employees before starting to process your payroll. BrightPay is very intuitive. It is constantly doing background checks to ensure employees are on the right national insurance class, to ensure they are paid above national minimum or living wage, and it is assessing if they are entitled workers or eligible job holders to enrol into a workplace pension scheme. Within the Payroll tab, you can easily update an employee's pay. You can change their pay by clicking on the amount and updating it accordingly. Workers can also be paid hourly pay, daily pay, or piece of work pay. There will also be a live pay summary on the right-hand side of the screen, which will keep you up to date with the live changes and breaks down the pay information clearly. Our online version of BrightPay also allows you to calculate from a net to gross, and you can perform that within the Spanner tab beside the pay. Statutory payments are also pre-programmed into BrightPay. If you click on the calendar, you can see BrightPay will ask me to choose the relevant dates and leave type. You can also create an unlimited amount of custom leave types in BrightPay. You can add as many additions and deductions that are necessary to the payslip of an employee. BrightPay has a number of widely used additions and deductions already pre-programmed into the software, but you can also have the option to add a custom addition and deduction. Our Notes tab allows you to pop notes on a payslip that can be visible for the employee or for just internal use. A huge time saver with BrightPay is that you can add additions, deductions, and notes to multiple payslips at once by clicking the More tab at the top. It takes just 2 clicks to finalise your payroll. After the payroll run is finalised, BrightPay will notify you of any outstanding RTIs and pension submissions. The online version of BrightPay has a built-in employee self-service portal, where employees can safely access their payslips, all stored in chronological order. This will save you having to manually email or download payslips to distribute to employees, and cut out employee requests for previous payslips. Payslips can also be sent by email or downloaded to PDF. You can pay your employees by cash, cheque, or credit transfer. All of your information and work is automatically being backed up and stored on the cloud by BrightPay, so there's no need to worry about the hard work that you've just done being deleted or corrupted. With this new online version of BrightPay, you can log in 24/7 and run any payroll reports necessary. BrightPay has a comprehensive report builder and a number of pre-programmed reports which can be saved and used again in the future. In the Employee tab, you can add, remove, or edit any employee and their information. You can also see each individual employee's calendar. BrightPay has attachment orders, expenses and benefits, P11s, P45s, P60s, P11Ds, and BPIKs, all available on our cloud software. Within the Employers tab, you will find the company's information. You can set up departments, hourly rates, and additions and deductions too. Within the HMRC tab, you can view any amounts paid and due. Any refunds or statutory pay received can also be logged. When you finalise your payroll on BrightPay, a notification will appear beside the RTI tab. This is indicating that we must send an FPS to HMRC. BrightPay and HMRC have direct communication, so by simply pressing Send Now, your FPS will be on its way. BrightPay also caters for the sending of an EPS, additional FPS, NINO verification request, and expenses and benefits. BrightPay has APIs with Nest, the People's Pension, Smart Pension, and Aviva. We also cater for CSV upload for all the other providers listed in the file spec they require. I mentioned earlier that our online version of BrightPay will allow multiple people to access the same employer at once. Over here, we'll be able to see exactly what team members are working within this company and where they are currently working within the file. We have big plans for our online version of BrightPay. Here are a couple of features that are coming soon. If you want to discover more about our new cloud version of BrightPay, you can find all the information you need on our website, www.brightsg.com.